At the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we are proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with Educational Employees Credit Union, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University. Thank you for watching and supporting positive stories about education.
No one else could ever hold a candle.
Fresno County CTEC High School is known for curriculum that's high-tech and teaches real-world skills. The school and its students attracting nationwide attention.
Not only the equipment, but the instructors are from industry, and they know exactly what they're teaching, and they know exactly what they're saying. And then, of course, the students.
Richard Patterson, CEO of Trion Supercars and Shango Technologies, based in Las Vegas, is developing a long-term partnership with CTEC, his team first visiting the school last April.
You're doing an excellent job here in Fresno.
They announced a project. CTEC students would help develop the chassis for his electric supercar, the Nemesis.
Our kids took the opportunity to see what we could do in the development of the CAD of some of those different areas, as well as some of the 3D printing of some of the different components on the Nemesis.
Patterson has visited the school several times since then and has engaged the students in another hands-on project.
Latest project is a metalless battery, a polymer battery, plastic battery, safe for usage in a lot of different fields, such as transportation, hearing aids, cell phones.
It's groundbreaking stuff, and these students are getting the opportunity to be a part of it.
It's really nice knowing that doing something small kind of in the lab of our machining room can make such an impact on future of batteries.
Patterson supports the school on many levels. His company recently gifting CTEC with a $40,000 donation.
We'd like to present you guys with a little something to keep things going here at CTEC.
Patterson, who is an engineer and once worked for Tesla, is sharing his love of CTEC with others. Romeo Miller, an entertainer and former child actor who starred in the Nickelodeon show Lil Romeo, is now an entrepreneur ready to invest in Fresno and CTEC.
I've always seen people wanting to invest in the Flash, but a lot of people aren't investing into, our engineers, our kids who have these automotive minds. And that's why I'm here.
Patterson and his team are looking to the future and want to bring the students at CTEC along with them.
He's not doing this for himself. He recognizes the benefit that it can have on our community, have on these students here at CTEC, but also, worldwide.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.